everyone, today we are going to solve another question which is same tree. The question is given as given the roots of two binary trees P and Q. Write a function to check if they are same or not. Two binary trees are considered the same if they are structurally identical and the nodes have the same value. Let us look at the example 1. These trees are same trees because the structure and the value of the trees are equal, as you can see in this figure. But this tree and this tree is not the same tree. I'll explain you how. This was the example given. This is the root node and this root node's right child is 2, but this root node's left child is 2. The values are same but the structure is not same. So this is not a same tree. Now we will code it. First of all, if both of the trees are null, then they are same tree because nothing is there to compare. If P equal to null and Q equal to null, then we have to return false because it is a bool function. We have to return true, because both of the trees will be equal. That is same tree. Now if one of the value is false, like one is empty tree and one is having value, so this tree will be not a same tree. We will use the OR operator to do this, and we will return false. Now we will check the value. If the value is equal, then it is a condition of a same tree. If the value of P dot value is not equal to Q dot value, then it is not a same tree. Return false. And now we will recursively call this same tree function to check all the nodes. A same tree we will call on all the nodes. Firstly on left node, and then on the right node. We will run the function. It is accepted. Let's submit it. So success. So this was the solution for this problem, same tree. I'll explain you again. Like for a tree to be same, the value and structure both have to be same. Like in this tree, the values and the structure is also same, so they are same tree. But this is not a same tree because the values are same but the structure is not same. So this was all about the question same tree.